So over here you can see that I have my Jotboard right here, and if you were to go to the top right hand side, you can see your account right here. If I were to go around right here and then click on settings, then you can see your name and your email address. If you want to go ahead and change that out, then you can actually go around over here and change the name as you like. Let's say, for example, I can type in YouTube channel. And if I were to go ahead and click on save now, then what happens is that it will be updated, as you can see right here. Let me just go around over here onto home, and this is what you have. Apart from that, you can see that you also have an email address associated with your particular email. So if I were to go ahead and change this out right here, you can save it and update your email as well. But what will happen is it'll go ahead and then update it out with that new email address, and you won't be able to access it using the old email address. So you got to be absolutely sure that you have the email that you're changing this to. And then it says if you update an email, you may need to sign out and sign in back again as well. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the account settings as you like inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.